Hi everyone, in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make moi moi, best for party jollof. In a bowl, I'll add beans. I'm using black eyed peas. You can use brown beans or lentils. Add enough water and allow the beans to soak in water for some time, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, the beans is well soaked, enough to remove the skin. I will rub the beans with my hands to help the skin peel off easily. I will strain out the water to get rid of the skin. Continue this process until the beans is clean. Once the beans is clean, you can go ahead and blend it or soak for extra 1 hour to make it softer before blending. Here are the other ingredients I'll be using. This includes habanero peppers. You can add these according to your taste. Shombo and onions. So I will go ahead and clean them and set them aside. After about 1 hour of soaking the beans, I'll strain it out and transfer to a blender. Then add onions, cayenne peppers, habanero peppers, crayfish and nutmeg. This is optional. Add enough water and blend until it's completely smooth. I overloaded my blender. Guys, if you see the way my blender was dancing, I had to support with my hand to avoid my beans batter from spilling everywhere. After blending, I'll transfer the blended beans to a bowl. Once I'm done, I'll add some oil to a pan, chopped onion, and fry until it's dry. This makes my moi moi last longer and it gives it a special texture. When it's done, turn off the heat and set aside. Moving on, add some seasoning cube in a plate, add salt and water. Break and dissolve this and then add it to your batter. Add in your fried onion and oil. Add some eggs. Mix until it is well incorporated. At this point, you can check the consistency of your batter, and if it's too thick, add hot water. I will add the deboned smoked fish. You can use any protein of your choice. I will taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Mix well until everything is well combined. I'll be using these leaves to wrap the moi moi. These leaves gives a distinct flavor and aroma to the moi moi, enhancing its overall taste. In the absence of these leaves, you can use the regular ramekin made for moi moi. To cook the moi moi, I'll take 2 leaves, fold it to the left side, then to the right to form a cone, and fold the tip to the back. Then scoop the batter and add your egg. Be careful not to overfill it. Then fold the leaf over gently, just like this, to secure the contents. You have a perfectly wrapped moi moi. Watch carefully to see how I'll do the second one. Continue this process until you are done wrapping the moi moi batter. To steam the moi moi, in a pot, I'll add a little water. Place 2 to 3 plantain leaves inside the pot, depending on the size. Then add the wrapped moi moi carefully. After that, place 2 leaves on it to help trap the heat inside the pot. I'll cover and cook the moi moi for 40 minutes to 1 hour until they are done. Make sure to check on it so that it doesn't get burnt. 1 hour later, our moi moi is well cooked. So easy to make. Enjoy by itself or serve with garri, jollof rice or any other thing that you prefer. I hope you found this video really helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.